Hi, in front of me is XIAOMI Mi Mix 2S, and today I would like to show you how you can change icon style on this device. Start by opening settings. Now you need to scroll down, go into themes and tap on more over here. Then select theme in which you like icons the best. You can pick one of those or tap on the loop and type whatever you want to, for example city. I will go with that theme, so I have to click on it and tap on the green button, then wait. Now go back, click on profile at the bottom right corner over here and select icons. Click on the ones that you just downloaded and tap apply. Now when I click home button, I can see that style of my icons has changed, but if you wish to go back into the default ones, you can always go into the same settings, click icons again, and this time tap on one of the default ones. Lastly, click apply. Now when I click home button, I can see that my icons has changed again. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and don't forget to subscribe. Bye!